In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to chamfer in Fusion 360. A chamfer is a small beveled cut that replaces a sharp edge, and it's incredibly useful for improving safety, easing assembly, and giving your parts a clean, professional look. We'll go from selecting the tool to choosing the right type of chamfer to dialing in dimensions and confirming the result. Start by heading to the Solid tab. In the toolbar, open the Modify menu and choose Chamfer. This opens the chamfer dialog and activates the tool so you can see the preview handles on your model. If you don't see the Solid tab, make sure you're in the correct design workspace rather than Mesh or Surface. Next, pick the edges or faces you want to bevel. Simply click the sharp edges around your model and you'll see a live preview update as you go. You can select multiple edges if you want a consistent chamfer around a part. Take a moment to orbit your view and confirm you're grabbing the correct edges, especially around corners where multiple edges meet. If you select a face, Fusion 360 will apply the chamfer to all edges bordering that face, which can be a fast way to treat a whole side of your model. With your edges selected, choose the chamfer type in the dialog. Equal distance creates a uniform chamfer with the same setback along both adjoining faces, resulting in a simple 45-degree bevel when the distances are equal. Two distances lets you specify different offsets on each face, which is helpful when you need a non-45-degree chamfer or want to control how much material is removed on one side versus the other. Distance and angle allows you to set a linear distance along one face and define the exact angle of the bevel, giving you precise control over the profile. Now set the size. You can type a measurement like 5mm directly into the input field or drag the blue arrow handle on the model to adjust it visually. The dialog accepts units and simple math, so feel free to type values like 0.25 in or 3mm plus 1 ms. Watch the preview to ensure the chamfer doesn't consume delicate features or intersect nearby geometry. If it does, reduce the size or try a different chamfer type. When you're satisfied, press enter to finalize the chamfer. The change will be added to your timeline so you can edit it later if your design evolves. And that's it. Open chamfer, pick your edges, choose the type, set the size, and confirm. You've just added a clean, controlled chamfer in Fusion 360.